All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. It's been a long day. Out here in the garage with the Corvette. I did take it in to get the tires changed today. Actually, I didn't take it in to get the tires changed. I took it in to try to figure out what has been wrong with my car for the last 2 years, ever since I got into that Salt Flat incident 2 years ago. If you remember, I almost died. There's a video about it. But anyways, I went to go get it checked out. They said there was uneven wear on the front tires. So I was like, okay, maybe that would be it. So they said, just change all 4 tires all at once. That's what I wanted to do, change all 4 tires at once to keep them all the same. As soon as I drove away, 0.0 seconds later, nothing was fixed. So there's still something wrong. They did not finish aligning it, so really unlikely that an alignment would magically fix why the car is like so wobbly or whatnot. So really have low doubts on Friday when I have to go back to get this aligned, because these are all new tires and stuff. So really doubt the alignment's going to fix anything. So hopefully they can further diagnose it. But the tires that I had on there probably were bad, at least the front ones. So I could have just changed the front ones or whatnot, but I wanted to change all 4 of them. But realistically, if tires weren't the issue and it was something else, I would have just rather fixed the something else and not the tires, because the tires realistically had another 4,000 to 5,000 miles on it, which would last me probably a year on this car. So I would rather not have to spend $1,443.40 today if I didn't have to. So I'm really sad that that was not the issue with the car, because it didn't get fixed. So anyways, moving on into today's video. Also, I had to pay for car insurance. I haven't checked my mail in like a week. So I did check the mail, and I got a bill in the mail for $816, I believe. It's right here in this paperwork right here somewhere. So $800 for the for the driving insurance for the house. I mean, I got $800 for insurance for the Corvette, the Camry, and the house itself, which is $350 a year, combined for $1,700 a year. Divide that by 2. I pay it every 6 months, so it's $816 or something like that. The math doesn't quite add up, but trust me, the numbers are there somewhere. On the bill's like $816. It actually went down $150 from the last bill cycle, so I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, today's running total between the $1,400 tires, the $800 car insurance, or the insurance bill altogether for all 3 things, and my Klein Legacy car's on fire. And between the screwdrivers here that I bought today, which finally came in, which you may or may not have known about. Actually, I told you on Instagram. These Klein American Legacy tools came in today with the apprentice discount. It was $19.11, which brings up the grand total of today's business expenses to over $2,440. So really not happy about spending all that money. I did put it on my credit card, so won't have to pay that off for another year or so. So I'm not really worried about that, but I just didn't really want to spend the money if I didn't have to. And I do need to unplug this before it kills my battery. So basically just unplug that, turn the car off, and my key is in my pocket already. So we're good to go on that. So not driving the car until Friday. I mean, I haven't been driving anyways because this issue has been a problem. So not driving that until Friday to go get it realigned, and then it's probably still not going to fix anything. So hopefully they probably won't even have time on Friday, so I'll probably have to come back a 3rd time if they want to look at it even more. But I'll probably drive it on Friday and tell them nothing's going to be fixed, as it probably won't be. So anyways, that brings us over to today's tools purchase, which I'm excited about. And then I'm going to bring in this bag of stuff, which is juice and receipts and bills. So walking into the house real quick, this is the weirdest video I have made in a really long time. So walking into the house here, I'm going to open these tools here for you and check them out, and probably grab the tripod real quick. So got all the tools still in the living room. So I'm going to go ahead and open those real quick, which I'm super excited about. Going to have to walk through a giant mess. And where is my tripod? Tripod is in here. Still have the bedroom set up with the 50-inch, which is pretty sweet. I do like watching that and falling asleep or helps me get tired to watch an episode of TV before bed or TV show. So yeah. Anyways, this is the weirdest video ever, so apologize, it's already been 5 minutes, but really expensive day. And yeah, so also unemployment declined me twice to pay me, so literally have no money coming in right now. So that's a problem. That's one of the 4 issues that I have right now. Basically, unemployment is one of my problems. Getting my car fixed is a problem, and now I have to buy now I want to buy the new Corvette, which is probably going to be at least $100,000 or something like that. Then I have another problem, which I will not disclose at this time. Those are 3 of my 4 issues. So trying to get the unemployment resolved as well, so I can get some money. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go back to work sooner than I thought, which would be unfortunate because I don't want to go back right now. So really, this whole time off right now, being unemployed, has been really stressful, at least the last few nights, because 1, I don't have any money coming in, which I thought I would, and second of all, just a lot of anxiety trying to deal with all this stuff, so it has not been fun or as relaxing as I thought it would be. So yeah, still trying to get the car fixed, which has been a problem for 2 years. So I've just been putting it off and no one has been able to diagnose it. So hopefully it can be diagnosed further on another day. So I'm going to go ahead and open these bad boys, which this camera is not going to be really... I'm just going to try to pull it apart here real quick, because otherwise I'm just going to have to grab the knife. So, but yeah, they sent these like from 100 miles away. This is like the last set in a 100-mile radius from me. So if you want to get these, you better hurry up because I think they already stopped production on them. So try to get them while supplies last. Klein is actually doing a giveaway right now, totally unrelated to me. But if you go to their page on Instagram, Klein Tools, or Klein_tools, they are doing a giveaway right now where you can win these. So I entered to win them again. It'd be really funny if I won them, but I really doubt that because there's probably going to be a lot of people entering to win them. But it'd be pretty cool to win a second set, and maybe I could give them away to you guys. But here they are, right here. They feel really nice. Not sure why they look so like shiny, kind of. But here they are. They look really sweet. So I'm going to be using the flat blade one. I'm obviously going to keep the glow in the dark screwdriver. Phillips in my tool belt right there. So I'm going to put this one in the backup bag and save this one for later. And I'm going to switch out the flat blade because the black one is getting boring, and I bought these because I want to use them. So here they are. They look really cool. You got the red on the plastic, the blue handle, and the white on top to see what they are. It says USA, and then you have your Phillips and your slotted or flat blade, whatever you want to call it. So that's them right there. Like I said, they were $19.11 with the apprentice discount. I always ask for the apprentice discount. I never say I'm not an apprentice, but I always just say, hey, do you guys do the apprentice discount? And then they assume that I'm an apprentice, so that's on them. So they usually give me like a couple bucks off. So I always ask for the apprentice discount or whatnot. Or if I asked if there's a union discount, but I don't think there was one. So it'd probably be about the same thing, but most tool shops have an apprentice discount or an apprentice tool account or something like that. So most people watching are apprentices anyway, so just ask them for that and you'll save some money. But like I said, I'm gonna use this one and then put this one in the bag right here, the Husky bag. And this is a really interesting camera, how it likes to focus on certain things. So yeah, I'm gonna put this one away, probably about right there. And then switch out this one right here. And then I'll have this extra one in my leave at home bag. And then put the slotted one right there. It's gonna look very cool to use, as you can see it right there. So anyways, that's my life update right now. A lot of problems, a lot of issues, trying to work through it, trying to stay positive. Still trying to make videos for you guys. And as always, if you got any video ideas to help me out to make videos, drop them in the comments below. Running out of ideas here, but I also have a list of stuff to make as well. So if there's something that you guys want to see, I'd rather make that than my own agenda before I do my own agenda. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. I would appreciate it. It'd help the channel out, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. Lastly, check the description for anything else. Check the link tree. The first link down below has all my goodies, all my social media, all my referrals and all that stuff, all my tools that I use, and then hit the notification bell and to be notified when I upload or do live streams. That's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for bearing with me in this really long, weird video. God bless and have an awesome rest of your day. We'll see what tomorrow brings, and Friday as well for the car. All right, guys, thanks. Peace out.